Place a jungle. Time one summer day. Characters John, mother, old man. John has been picking berries. His bucket is full and he is going back to the home. He sees an old man with a bucket.
Have you found any berries, my boy?
Yes, my bucket is full. See?
You have been lucky. Look into my bucket.
Why is it empty?
I have not found a single berry today.
Come with me, I'll show you some.
I can walk no further. I am very tired.
You can have my berries, sir.
Do you not sell your berries?
Yes, but I can find some more. Take them.
Thank you, my boy. You are very kind. Now I may take yours and you may take mine.
They exchange buckets.
But your bucket is new, sir.
That doesn't matter. Now I must rest for a while.
The old man sits under a tree and seems to sleep. John looks for berries soon. His mother comes looking for him.
John, why are you so late? Where are your berries?
I gave them away to that poor old man there.
I am sorry you did that. I wanted to sell the berries today. I want the money to buy your school books.
The poor old man couldn't find any berries, mother.
Then I'm glad you gave him yours.
Look, he gave me his bucket. It's new.
John, this is made of gold. I will wake him up and give it back.
Yes, wake him up and give it back.
The old man stands and his clock falls. John and his mother sees a beautiful face.
The golden bucket is yours, my boy. It will bring you books, clothes, and food. It will give you always what you need. It is a magic bucket.
The fairy flies away.
Oh my God, what a kind heart has done for you. It's a golden bucket.
Moral of the story is your kind act will always be rewarded.